Welcome to Learner's Prep. In this session, we will solve some more problems based on the concept of time and work. This is the second session in this topic. Question number 11. A can do half of a work in 3 days, while B can do 1/3 of the same work in 4 days. How long would it take for A and B together to complete the work? So here we have A and B. A and B. A can do half of the work in 3 days. Half of the work he can do in 3 days. So he can do the total work in 6 days. Similarly, B can do 1/3 of the work. 1/3 of the work in 4 days. So he can do total complete work in 12 days. 3 times of 4 is 12. So this is the time taken to complete a work. Time. And if you multiply with rate, you will get the total work. So total work is LCM of days. For 6 and 12, LCM is 12. So the total work is 12 units. 12 is divisible by 6. So we will write here 12. 12 is divisible by 6 2 times. 12 is divisible by 12 1 time. So the rate of A is 2 units per day. Rate of B is 1 unit per day. So when they are working together, 12 units of work, total work. So they will do 3 units in 1 day. So 12 units of work and 3 units per day. So they will take 12 by 3 days. So that is 4 days. So working together, they will take 4 days to complete the work. Option A is the right answer. Question number 12. A does 1/3 of a work in 2 days. B does half of the remaining work in 2 days. C finishes the remaining work in 2 days. How many days will it take for all three to finish the work together? So we have 3 people here. A, B and C. A can do 1/3 of the work in 2 days. So he can do total work in 6 days. B does half of the work in 2 days. He does the total work in 4 days. So let us find out the LCM here. This is time multiplied by rate is equal to work. Six and 4 LCM. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So total work is 12 units. 12 is divisible by 6 2 times. 12 is divisible by 4 3 times. So the question is given that A does 1/3 of the work in 2 days. B does half of the remaining work in 2 days. So A is doing 1/3 of the work in 2 days. So what is the remaining work? So remaining work is 1 minus 1/3. So 1/3 of the work A is doing. Remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the remaining work. B does half of the remaining work in 2 days. So B is doing half of this 2 by 3rd. So what is half of 2 by 3rd? So 2 by 3rd half. 2 cancel, that is 1 by 3rd. So B is doing 1 by 3rd of the work in 2 days. So he will do the total work in 6 days. B does total work in 6 days. A does the total work in, is doing 1/3 of the work in 2 days. So A can complete the total work in 6 days. C finishes the remaining work in 2 days. And now C, remaining work is out of 2 by 3, half is 1/3. 1/3 is done by B and remaining 1/3 C will do it. So 1/3 of the work is done by C in how many days? 2 days. So he will do the total work in 1/3. Sorry. C will take 1/3 of the work in 2 days. So he will do 6 days to complete the work. So all the three can complete the work in 6 days. A also 6 days, B also 6 days, and C also 6 days. So when all of them are working together, so let us write here A, B, C. So time taken by them is 6. LCM is also 6. It is divisible by 1 time. So when all the three are working together, total 6 units, 3 units per day, they will take 2 days to complete the work. This is the answer. So A, B, C, when working together, they take 2 days to complete the work. So this is the easy way of solving this question. So correct answer is option A is the right answer. Question number 13. A and B can complete a work in 12 days and 18 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 3 days, B had to leave and A alone completed the remaining work. The whole work was completed in how many days? So individually, A and B can do the work in 12 and 18 days. So let us write here the titles: time into rate is equals to work. So we have two people here, A and B. A can do the work in 12 days, B in 18 days. So LCM is 36 for 12 and 18. It is divisible 3 times. It is divisible 2 times. A plus B, their efficiency, their rate is 5 units. 36 by 5. 36 by 5. 5 sevens 35. 1 remains, so 0.2. 7.2. A and B together they can complete in 7.2 days. So they started doing the work together, But after 3 days, B had to leave. So they worked for 3 days. A and B worked for 3 days. So every day they will do 5 units of work. So work done in 3 days. Work done in 3 days is equals to 3 into 5. Every day they will do 5 units of work. So 15 units of work is done in 3 days. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is 36 minus 15. That is 21 units. 21 units of work is remaining. So who is doing this remaining work? A alone completed the remaining work. So A can do 3 units every day. So time taken by A. Time taken by A is 21 units is remaining. We will do 3 units per day. 21 by 3. So 3 ones, 3 sevens. You will take 7 days to complete the remaining work. So the whole work is completed in how many days? So initially 3 days. Now A is taking 7 days. 3 plus 7 is 10. The whole work is completed in 10 days. So option D is the right answer. Question number 14. A, B and C can complete a work separately in 4, 6 and 12 days respectively. They start working together. C leaves after 1 day and A leaves after 2 days. In how many days will the work be completed? So let us write the formula. Time into rate is equals to work. So how many people are there? Here we have 3 people, A, B and C. So they will take 4 days, 6 days and 12 days. So LCM is 12 in all the 3 cases. It is divisible by 3 times, here 2 times and 1 time. And now they start working together. C leaves after 1 day. So that means on the first day all the 3 worked. So how many units they can complete in 1 day? All the 3. So all the 3 can complete 6 units in 1 day. So let us write here first day. First day. So A plus B plus C, all the 3 are working. They are completing 6 units. So total work 12 units. What is the remaining work? So remaining work is 12 minus 6, that is 6 units. So next is second day. Second day. Who is working on the second day? C is leaving. Only A and B are working on the second day. So A and B together, they will complete 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5 units. They will complete 5 units on the second day. What is the remaining work? So 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. So that is 1 unit is remaining after second day. So on the third day, who is working? So on the third day, so C left and A left. So only B is working on the third day. So B will complete. Actually, he can do 2 units every day. But here we have only 1 unit here. So he will do only half unit. Sorry, he will take only half day to complete 1 unit. So B is doing this 1 unit of work. So he will take half day. B will take half day to complete 1 unit, because he can do in one complete day 2 units. Since there is only 1 unit, he will take only half day. So total we have 1, 2 and half. So 2.5 days. So A, B and C total work is done in 2.5 days. Total work is done in 2.5 days. So correct answer is option B is the right answer. Question number 15. A and B can do a piece of work in 24 days, while B and C can do the same work in 18 days, and C and A in 12 days. They all work for 8 days, and later B and C left. How many days will A take to complete the remaining work? So let us write the captions here. Time into rate is equals to work. So we have A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. A plus B, they will take 24 days. B plus C, 18 days. C plus A, 12 days. Now we have to find out the LCM of all these three numbers. LCM of 24, 18 and 12. So the bigger number is 24. The multiples of 24 are 24, 48 and 72. So 48 is not divisible by 18. So next we have 72. 72 is divisible by both 18 and 12. So we should check the multiples of 24 which are divisible by other numbers. So that will be the LCM. So that is a shortcut method of finding the LCM. So 24 3s 72, that is the LCM, because it is divisible by 18 and 12 also. So the total work is 72 units. 72 units. So 24 3s, 18 4s, 12 6. So if you add 3, 4 and 6, that is 13. So if you add here, you will get A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. So that is 2 times of A plus B plus C. So 2 times of A plus B plus C, their rate is 13 units per day. So A plus B plus C, rate of A, B and C all together will be 13 by 2, that is 6.5. So all the three can complete 6.5 units in one day. So in the question, they all work for 8 days. So they are working for 8 days. That means 6.5 into 8. 6.5 into 8. So that is 8 5s 40. 4 carry. 8 6 are 48 plus 4. 52. So 52 units of work is completed in 8 days. In 8 days, 52 units is completed. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is 72 minus 52. So that is 20 units is remaining. The remaining work is 20 units. After 8 days, B and C left. So who is remaining now? Only A is remaining. A has to complete the remaining work. So, but we don't know what is the capacity of A. So, we can find out the capacity of A if you subtract from A plus B, B plus C. If you subtract B plus C, you will get the capacity of, that is efficiency of A. So, A plus B plus C 6.5, subtract B plus C. A plus B plus C is 6.5 units they can do in one day. B and C together they can do 4 units in one day. So if you subtract 6.5 minus 4 is 2.5. So 2.5 units per day. This is the capacity of A. So here we have 20 units of work is remaining. So 20 divided by 2.5. So 20 divided by 2.5 is 200 by 25. So that is 25 ones, 25 eights. So A will take 8 days to complete the remaining work. So A will take 8 days to complete the remaining work. So the correct answer is option A is the right answer. Question number 16. X and Y can do a piece of work in 12 days and 8 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 2 days Y joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? So write the options. Time into rate is equals to work done. So we have two people here, X and Y. X will take 12 days, Y will take 8 days. So the LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. 24 is divisible by 12 2 times, divisible by 8 3 times. So in the question it is given that X started the work alone and then after 2 days Y joined him. So that means for 2 days only X is working. So in 2 days, work done in 2 days. How much work is done? X is doing 2 units per day. In 2 days, we will complete 4 units. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is 24 minus 4. That is 20 units is remaining. So Y joined him after 2 days. So X and Y together they can do 5 units. Together they can do 5 units in one day. So how many units of work is remaining here? 20 units is remaining. So the remaining work is 20 units. So they can complete 20 by X plus Y. X plus Y 20 by 5. That is 4 days. So X is working alone for 2 days and then X and Y together they are working for 4 days. So 2 days plus 4 days. 2 days plus 4 days. Total 6 days the work is completed in, total work is completed in 6 days. So the work is lost for 6 days. So option B is the right answer. Question number 17. K can build a wall in 12 days. L can demolish that wall in 24 days. K and L work on alternate days. How many days they will take to complete the wall? So let us write the formula here. Time into rate is equals to work. So we have two people here, K and L. K will take 12 days to build the wall. L will take 24 days to demolish the wall. So LCM is 24. So 24 is divisible by 12 two times and this is one time. So K and L, they are working on alternate days. So building is constructed as positive and demolishing is constructed as negative. So on the first day, K builds 2 units of work and second day, L demolishes 1 unit of work. So that is 2 minus 1. So in 2 days, 1 unit of work is done. So 1 unit of work is done in 2 days. So total how many units of work to be done? 24 units of work to be done. So total work is 24 units. So in 2 days, 1 unit of work is done. So on the first day, 2 units is built. On the second day, 1 unit is demolished. So in this way, alternately K and L will go on working. So in 44 days, how much work is done? So in 2 days, half of that is 1 unit. In 44 days, 22 units of work is done. 22 units of work is done in 44 days. Half of 44 is 22. So here in 2 days, 1 unit. In 44 days, it is 22 units is completed. So we have here total 24 units to be done. So in 44 days, on 44th day, L will close the work. Next, on 45th day, who will work on the 45th day? K will work on the 45th day. So he will build the wall. So he will do 2 units. So now 24 units is completed here on the 45th day. So that means how many days it will take to complete the wall? It will take 45 days to complete the wall. So once 24 units is done, the work is completed. So it will take 45 days to build the wall completely. So option C is the right answer. Question number 18. K, L and M can do a piece of work in 10, 15 and 30 days respectively. In how many days can K do the total work if he is assisted by L and M on every third day? So let us write the same formula. Time into rate is equals to work. So we have 3 people here, K, L and M. So they will take 10 days, 15 days and 30 days. LCM is 30. 30 is LCM. 30 is divisible by 10 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. So it is given that in how many days can do the total work if he is assisted by L and M on every third day. So first day, second day and third day. On first day only K is working, second day K is working, is assisted by L and M on third day, K plus L plus M. So first day K will complete 3 units. Then again on second day K will complete 3 units. On third day all the 3 are working. So they will complete 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 units. So all the 3 will complete 6 units. So they are working on third day. So this is for work of first day, second day and third day. 3 plus 3 plus 6. So total 12 units is completed in 3 days. 12 units in 3 days. Then again 12 units in the next 3 days. The next 3 days. So total how many units completed? 12 plus 12, 24 units is completed. This is again 3, 3, 6. Next, total we have 30 units of work to be done. So next, after 6 days, 7th day, more 3 units. So that is 24 plus 3, 27. And then again 7th day, more 3 units. So this is 2 days, 6 units the next 2 days. So total 12 plus 12, 24 plus 6, 30 units of work is done in 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 days. So total work is completed in 8 days when K is assisted by L and M on every third day. So the answer is option 8. Option A, 8 days. Question number 19. A can complete a work in 9 days, B can complete the same work in 12 days and C in 18 days. A starts working on the first day, B works for second day and C works for third day. Again A works for fourth day and B for fifth day and so on. If they continue working in the same way, in how many days will the work be completed? So we'll just write down here the titles, same as the previous questions, time into rate is equals to work. So we have 3 people here, A, B and C. A will complete in 9 days, B in 12 days, C in 18 days. So what is the LCM here? 9, 12 and 18. 18 multiples 36 is divisible by both 9 and 12. So 36 is the LCM. Total work is 36 units in all the 3 cases. 36 is divisible by 9 4 times. This is 3 times. This is 2 times. So here A is working on the first day. First day A is working. So he will complete 4 units. Next, second day B is working. He will complete 3 units. Third day C will work. He will complete 2 units. So total 4 plus 3 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 units of work is done in 3 days. 9 units of work is done in 3 days. So total we have 36. So 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. So 9 fours 36. 9 fours 36. So that means we should complete 4 cycles. So 3 days into 4. 4 cycles we have to complete to finish 36 units of work. So that is 12 days. So it will take 12 days to complete 36 units of work. So option A is the right answer. Question number 20. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10, 12 and 20 days respectively, working alone. How soon can the work be done if A is assisted by B and C on alternate days? Similar question. Time and work rate, time into rate is equals to work. So we have 3 people here, A, B and C. So A will take 10 days, B 12 days, C 20 days. So what is the LCM of 10, 12 and 20? LCM of 10, 12 and 20. So multiples of 20, second multiple 40, it is not divisible by 12. Third multiple is 60. 60 is divisible by both 10 and 12. So that is the LCM. So total work is 60 units. 60 is divisible by 10 6 times, by 12 5 times, by 20 3 times. So here it is given in the question, A is assisted by B and C on alternate days. So that means on the first day, A and B work, A and B, and second day A and C. So A and B together they can complete 11 units on the first day. A and C 9 units, 6 plus 3. So in 2 days 11 plus 9, 20 units of work is done. 20 units of work in 2 days. So what is the total work? Total work is 60 units. So how many cycles have to be completed? So 20 into 3 is 60. So that means 3 cycles have to be completed. So therefore 2 days into 3 is 6 days. So 3 cycles is 6 days. So total work is done in 6 days. So correct answer is option B is the right answer. So these are the problems based on the topic concept of time and work. We'll solve some more problems in the next session on the same topic of time and work. So we will use all the short methods to solve any complex question. So if you have any doubt or if you find any other easy method of solving these questions, you can mention them in the comment box anytime. Thank you.